Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a wash day for my baby girl. And these are some of the products I'm going to be using. Mainly in this video, I'm going to be focusing on the carrot oil that I made. I try as much to stay away from harsh chemicals. Before we go ahead with the video, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, comment and like. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you are informed anytime I upload new video. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So first thing I do is I put on the TV, go on YouTube and put on a favorite program. Usually it's the ABC songs. She love the ABC songs. This is a great tips for when you're washing your little one's hair. Playing the favorite music or putting on the favorite program. This will make everything that much smoother. The next thing I do is I make sure she's sitting on an high chair, only because that helps her to focus more on the TV rather than on me doing her hair. I always make sure she has something to eat. This could be a snack or an apple. As you can see on the video, she was so excited to have a snack. I always detangle her hair before I wash. I usually put her hair into 3 sections. You can use just water to detangle your little one's hair, or you can mix conditioner and water together. As you can see from the video, I'm using my finger to detangle her hair. This will help with unnecessary breakage. When using your finger to detangle your little one's hair, always start from the tip and make your way up to the root. This is just basically a blanket that I folded up that I use for extra support on her neck and her head. I always double check the temperature of the water. I usually allow it to run for 2 minutes. Just going to use water to saturate her hair just to break up some of this dirt. I'm just going to work through that product in her hair and begin to massage her scalp. I try to be as gentle on the scalp. So what I usually do next is apply leave-in conditioner to her hair. You can apply any leave-in conditioner of your choice. When it comes to applying any type of cream or oil, I tend to be very generous, only because her hair gets really dry easily. The next thing I do is basically apply my homemade carrot oil. I love this carrot oil, guys. I'm telling you, it makes your hair grow tons and fast. Maybe in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this. I'm telling you guys, this is all I use. Once I put leave-in conditioner, then I lock in with the oil. I'm good to go. I usually use this brush just to brush in all the edges. I love this brush. It's very soft. They have two types. They have the hard one, the very harsh one, and then they have the soft one. As you can see, she's not in any pain. The girl looks like she's chilling, bruh. She is chilling. I usually put her hair into 3 sections. I don't usually use any blow dryer on my kids' hair. I just allow it to air dry itself. It doesn't have to be pretty or anything like that, because you're going to come back in the next 5 hours to put it in protective style. I tried to film when I was putting her in a protective style, but this girl was having none of it. Seriously, she was having none of it. Like, just to show you guys the length of her hair was a struggle. Like, I was tired, to be fair, so I shut down the camera. So that will be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.